Wow, Lyft has launched bonuses for drivers. This is a new program, so if you're a Lyft driver or thinking about becoming a Lyft driver, this is the video for you. Or if you're just curious about, what's going on, if you may be taking a break, so please thumbs up the video. We're gonna get right into it, give you the details on how it works. I do have a link below to sign up to be a Lyft driver and get a sign-on bonus, which I will talk about in the video. It's gonna depend on where you are in the country, but you can check the link below and check it out, and let's get started. So firstly, I did want to thank our sponsor, Work Solo, which is a company that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers guaranteed pay. Or if you drive for any of these other gig apps, you can sign on from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is an example, and they're gonna guarantee that you make $37 in that hour. So if you earn less, they're gonna pay you the difference. It's pretty incredible what they're doing for drivers. You can sign up, 37 bucks an hour for Instacart, 38 for DoorDash, 37 for Uber. Yes, even Uber. So check out Solo down below. And when you do sign up, they do have a free version. They're gonna send you 15 bucks just for sign up. Link your account, type in your PayPal or Venmo, not Venmo or PayPal. You can sign up for free, get a free trial, or just sign up for this completely free version nationwide, anywhere in the country, and get started. You can take home 5,000 bucks more a year. They claim, they do mileage tracking, automated federal tax deductions. They're awesome. So check it out below and let's get started. So I've been doing some research, my friends, on Lyft. And I have this theory that Lyft is hurting for drivers right now. So what they're doing is they're offering these insane bonuses for new drivers. So if you're an Uber driver, if you got one of these in the mail, if you drive for Uber and you're not a Lyft driver yet, you could potentially qualify for a massive sign-up bonus. And I'm not talking about guarantees. So this is a, by the way, massive guarantee. If you do 200 rides in 30 days, they're gonna guarantee they make 3,500 bucks guaranteed. So doing the math on that, that is, what is that? Is that $15 per ride? Do some quick math on this. So 3,500 bucks divided by 200. 1750 a ride. So I don't know about you, but when I go out and drive for Uber and Lyft, my ride average is usually $10. So that's like, if your ride average is 10 bucks, 200 rides times 10, that's 2,000 bucks. That's a $1,500 bonus, right? 3,500 minus 2,000. This is a huge guarantee. This is a huge bonus. And not only that, they also have this other structure. $650 bonus when you get 180 rides in your first 30 days. Let's do the math on that as well. So 650 divided by 180. That's only so this is a bonus, by the way, driving bonus. It's only $3.60 extra per ride. So in this example, I think this is actually better, because this actually isn't that impossible to do in 30 days, 200 rides divided by 30. You just have to give 7 rides a day, 6.6 rides a day. Very doable part-time. You give 10, 20 rides in a day, take a day or two off. And I think this is really good. This is really big in my opinion. I also have some screenshot from this driver who went out today. He said, just another day in paradise, surf all morning, then get out, meet some awesome locals and make a couple of bucks. This guy, look at this. He's earning $1.80 a mile. Is this news to me? Is this new? I don't know anywhere you can go out and drive right now and make $1.80 a mile. I thought it was like 70 cents, 60 cents. $1.80 a mile? Guys, comment your rates below. And not only that, he got a bonus he just got a bonus, $350 bonus for nothing. I mean, $3.50 might not seem a lot, but for every single ride, guys, if he's getting a $3.50 bonus for every ride, that adds up. I mean, that's literally the same as this. So it sounds like they're literally giving out an extra $3-4 bucks per ride, plus these massive sign up. I mean, if you can sign up right now and do 200 rides in 30 days, I mean, honestly, guys, you could knock that out in 10 days. You could knock that out in 10 days when you give 200 rides in your first 30 days. So what I would recommend is sign up for Lyft, use the code below, give 200 rides. I mean, this is gonna vary by market, by the way, but it's gonna be something similar. You could easily do 200 rides, divide by 10. These are gonna be full-time days, by the way, guys. Takes about 20 to 30 minutes to do per ride, so divide that by, let's say, 25 minutes. It's gonna take you whatever. You guys get it. Go out and ride full time for 10 days. You make 3,500 bucks. That's 350 bucks a day. That's pretty freaking incredible if you ask me. 350 bucks a day guaranteed for Lyft. I don't know, maybe this is new to me. Maybe you guys are like, Dylan, this is old news, but for me, this is really incredible that I've seen lately. So maybe they're really hurting for drivers in some areas. And maybe this will be higher in areas where they need more drivers and lower in areas they don't need as many drivers. So let me know what the bonus is in your area. You know, click the link below, see what it looks like, and see if it's worthwhile for you. So, and comment what it is, because I'm curious. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great, and I will talk to you soon. Oh yeah, and check out Solo down below. Get your $15 right now. Sign up. Every single driver should do this. Sign up for Solo. It takes 2 minutes. Get 15 bucks just for signing up, and you can get access to all these awesome features. And we are a Friends of Solo. The Rideshare Guy is, the Rideshare Hub, Gig Nation, this guy right here. He is an advisor and an investor. So Solo's awesome. Check him out down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.